You started investing in mutual funds, equities, and bonds. But remember, financial planning is a holistic process. Before investing, one should ensure their basics are covered. First basic is your emergency fund. It is the cash kept aside for surprises, life surprises like a sudden hospital bill, a car breakdown, emergency expenses, or sudden job loss given the situation in the job market. Remember, emergency funds are not for your shopping or vacations. It's for real emergencies that could otherwise push you to opt for loan at high interest rates. Use your credit cards, or it can also drain your savings. Question is how much you should keep aside as an emergency fund. Think of your monthly expenses, 6 to 9 months recurring expenses like rent, groceries, medical expenses, EMIs, and utility bills. For example, if your must have total rupees 50,000, then your emergency fund should cover at least 6 months expenses. That means you must aim for rupees 3 lakh to be kept aside. Singles might manage with less, but those with families should aim for higher emergency fund. So where do you park this fund? Financial experts recommend keeping your emergency fund safe and in easily accessible fixed income securities such as liquid mutual fund, highly rated short-term bonds and deposits. And always avoid long-term securities such as stock, equity, mutual fund and long-term bonds. In a holistic financial planning context, order matters. Emergency fund first, insurance next, and investment follow. Emergency funds are your first financial risk mitigation strategy. So build it, secure it, and invest smarter. For financial planning, risk management, and investment, contact us at enquiry at netinvestible.com or call us at 770-900-6441.